Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Spice up your weeknight dinner with the best healthy recipe. You can solve the mystery of what to make tonight. Tuna cutlets, where tuna is considered the world's healthiest food. A perfect starter to any meal or can be served with ketchup or any spicy dip or chutney. So let's go and see what we need for these cutlets. So things I have today are boiled and mashed potatoes. Then I have these canned tuna and I'm using the one which comes with the water. You can use with the oil based as well. Then for the seasoning I have some salt. I'll be using some cumin powder, some black pepper powder and garam masala powder. Then I'll be using one egg to dip my cutlets and then I'll fry in the oil. So these are all the ingredients. Let's start our cutlets. So first I boil and then I mashed my potatoes. Then I add my drained tuna in there. Then add rest of the seasoning, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, and then salt. Then with the help of my hand I start mixing until potatoes and tuna is combined with all the seasoning. Now it's time to shape your cutlets. So just take a handful of that mixture, keep in between your palms and then first roll it into a smooth ball and then with lightly with the other hand just press it and then start shaping and start smoothing the edges and the top. Just make sure that there isn't any crack in the edges or at the top, because if you fry like that it's gonna break while you fry. So just smooth the top and the edges and then one cutlet is done. Now repeat the same process, finish rest of your mixture and let your cutlets rest for a while. Meanwhile, crack one egg in a shallow bowl, just beat the egg and then keep this egg mixture on the side. Now dip your cutlet into your egg from all the sides and then transfer it into a hot oil and then shallow fry your cutlets. So after like minute or two, just very lightly with the help of two turners, just flip it and let the cutlet cook from the other side as well. So when your cutlets are fried from both sides and get a very nice golden color, and your kitchen would smell divine at that time. So just very carefully transfer your cutlet onto a paper towel so it can drain the excess oil. Tuna with a twist. Tuna with their Desi spices turn into healthy and delicious tuna cutlets. These are exotic, tasty and filling. It is wonderful when served with salsa or tartar sauce, or you can make a sandwich out of them or serve with lightly dressed salad. And if you make that at home, please don't forget to take a picture, tag me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family. And don't forget to check out my previous videos.